I'm highly controversial, compromise is not an option. I do this for the streets, the hood is real, there's people dying. My mission still search and rescue, but you hating on me. We sporting Ben Davis, stomping trucks and standing D's. But when I spit my testimony, how dare you critique? If Jesus came from Nazareth, that means he's a Nazarene. So that means if I came from the streets, thugging and all, bandanas gang sounds harder than a man you know. Only God can judge. Cause I changed the way that I walk and talk. Ain't reppin' BC, he snatched me and adopted me by that BG. But never lost a taste for the hustle. What the devil meant for bad, now it's good and man, he's in trouble.
Step out the flesh, step into the spirit, and press my point upon this microphone and soul through these lyrics. I speak with purpose, divine appointment chosen from my birth to do his work across the earth in truth with aims to make you liars nervous. So you got money and a little recognition, but that's no reason for you to get on TV and start dissing. You don't know me, so don't speak on me, homie, please listen. Hypocrite, you judging us, but at the same time claiming Christian.
Oh Father God, I need your help, cause they keep trying to tempt me. I crucified the special that my past won't rise within me. I came from nothing, met death, denied it cause you saved me. I made a vow to reach as many souls as you allow me. You told me be myself, that's why you put me where I am. I changed my thuggish ways and hit the block to bless the land. But still I struggle cause these people say that I ain't saved. Because I say that I'm a gangster, they push me away. Cause see, the definition's deeper than they understand. See, I've been chosen, hand selected by a nail-scarred hand. A gangster cries, rise, and dies for a set. Now don't this sound like Peter and Paul when arrested in cats?
We must be doing something right because we own your mind. You speaking on the side, you know, but get to the back of the line. Like I told you, we some soldiers, we ain't hard to find. You come correct with some respect, have you lost your mind? Cause we anointed in the point to show you wasting your time. You just mad cause you ain't us, so you critique your rhymes. But news flash on me, I see it's Christ of mine. So before you speak, you better think and maybe go over your lines.
So quick to criticize me, talk about me, pull this down. We speak the truth, you claim corrupts the youth and keeps them down. Your statement was, how can you be a Christian and a gangster? Phony cats, they never make it. Cut the act and stop the faking. We preach the heat, the sex, the fire to the enemy. Now 66 ways, give me your reason if you're feeling me. We trying to make a movement all across the world through hip-hop with the holiness that God is still. So push me, homie, never phony, cause I rise for mine. And only God can judge a soldier, so you wasting time. My crew is thick and we coming through the world for the crown. And it's a shame how you let your fame corrupt you now. But it's cool, go ahead and say what you say and do what you do. Don't let the words catch you slipping if folks start judging you. So we dust the dirt up off of our shoulders. You mean nothing, cause our music is the hearts of your fans. Ain't that something?
Only God can judge me. Why are you judging and criticize what I'm doing for the Lord? Who made you a judge over me? Only God can judge me. Matthew chapter 7 verse 1 said, do not judge and criticize and condemn